setup. Always hopping between maps. Today, my beautiful creatures, we have the H&R front lower sway bar from Keys Motorsports. Going to be sick. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video with your boy Thick F80 Sizzle. Sizzle? Anyways, good morning. I need a coffee. But yes, so huge shout out to Keys Motorsports for sending me out the H&R front lower sway bar. So this is gonna tighten up that front end. Really gonna tighten up the front end. It'll pretty much get rid of any body roll. We had very minimal body roll before with the current suspension setup, but this front lower sway bar is gonna pretty much eliminate any body roll. It's gonna tighten up that front end, balance out the suspension a little bit more, make the car a little bit more rigid, and prevent understeer. We will definitely see a big improvement in the overall way that the car just handles, and especially once we get to a track. Yes, I know. Don, you're never gonna go track your car. Yes, I am. I promise I'm going to track my car. The track that we have here in Charlotte is called CMP, and they redid their entire track. The entire surface is being redone, and it's supposed to be done at the end of this month. Also, my track wheels come at the end of this month. They were on back order. I already ordered them. Those will be here at the end of this month. I also got the tires set up. We're good to go. We're just waiting on things to open and things to arrive, and then it's full send, folks. You know how it goes, trying to vlog and drive a manual. Really enjoying the mobile boot mode experience. Like, dude, I love being able to do it in my car. Right now I'm switching between a bunch of different maps. I'm doing a bunch of different data logs. You guys will see a video on that later. But this mobile setup is like super convenient to have. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna find a way to have the wires run like back here and come out here super clean, because right now it's kind of booty. I just have like a cable hanging in between my seat. It's not the best setup at the moment, but I am gonna set it up so it's just super sick in the future. Boost fuel is acquired. So yeah, we're heading over to Dynamic. Those guys are gonna do the installation for me today. I got a bunch of work I gotta crank out. I'm gonna help them as much as I can, try to get some B-roll, talk a little bit about the product, but it should be overall a good day. Should be fun. So this is one of many suspension additions that we're doing to this car. As you guys know, we have the KW height adjustable springs on the car right now. I'm also doing the monoball, the full monoball conversion by Fall Line. And then obviously this front lower sway bar. If you do the rear lower sway bar, you actually have to drop the subframe. The front lower sway bar is like super easy. You just need two people to do it. I wouldn't have been able to do it myself in my garage. You gotta have someone help you. All right, so beautiful drive ahead of me. I will see you guys over at the shop. We here. Good old Dynamic. All right, I'll see you guys inside.
Thank you for calling Dynamic Autotune. This is Scott.
You're so focused.
I'm filming for John's vlog.
Hey, nice.
Okay. How's it feel to be filmed?
Pretty used to it.
From a third person?
You gonna get out of my B-roll shot, or are you just gonna be?
I'm just gonna be in your B-roll.
Pumped up. Not easy being the god of HyperSmooth. Someone's got to do it. Someone's got to do it. These got different, oh, these light up. These are light up ones.
Yeah.
Maybe I should get those.
There you go. Dynamic auto-tune. This is Scott.
Should've got it. Should've got it. All right, next phone. Next phone that rings. We need to get him when he answers it. Thank you for calling. Dynamic.
I think you should check to see if I'm like, man.
Bada bing, bada boom. Just getting some work done at the shop. I think they're pulling the car in a little bit, and then we'll head in there and get some filming done. Catch up with you guys soon. The new shop toilet out in the shop to get the real experience. Just take a dump and get to look at all these dope cars. Need those. Oh, look at that thing.
The inside of the bushings.
Nice and thick.
Yeah, I think it's thick.
Wow. It's supposed to be thicker than the stock one. Saw it, dude. I don't know if you can.
You drive through a crowd, everybody's just at an angle. Yeah.
All of it's off. Hector got that APR splitter. Sheesh. The bling though. My God. My God. This thing looks so weird without a lip on it. It's so weird. Warning. The suspension of this vehicle has been modified. What the fuck, dude? They actually give you a sticker for that? Nah, fam. I don't fuck with that. This thing looks nice. She thick, though. She thick. So it's a lot more thick than the, well, you guys will see the factory when we pull up. All right, we got the car up in the air. And I freaking knew, man. I knew. I heard something when I was driving, like a click, click, click. Sure enough, your boy's got a nail. But we're not losing air, so I'm gonna leave that in here. I got my track wheels coming at the end of the month, new tires. I'll just wait until I get those and then replace this one. For right now, it's fine. I mean, it's not leaking. Just has a little bit of a click, click, click. I love seeing the underside of my car though, man. This thing is just freaking mental. This Valvetronic setup. KWs are holding up well. Got a little bit of moisture adding up on this seal, but that's pretty normal for these. In like 10,000 miles, I'll probably just end up replacing the seal. But yeah, man, I love looking underneath the car. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Make sure you don't have any nails anywhere else. Unfortunately, with this one, it's too close to the sidewall. They're not going to be able to patch that. If it was further in, you could patch it, but this is too close, so the tire's probably donezo. It's all right. Just buy some new ones. All right, so here is the sway bar. You can see he already took off some of the stuff. So here's the actual sway bar. Connects to this guy, and we got to pull out the whole thing. So you're replacing this whole piece right here. Obviously you can see it's actually really simple. You got 4 13 millimeters, and then you got these two guys right here, and it comes out. Shit, really simple. You just drop the 2 pans. Hell yeah, man. Look at that. So easy. Oh yeah, she's beefier, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Way beefier. That's crazy. And the, I think these are different too, aren't they?
Yeah, they're gonna be wider for the
bushings are a little bit different.
They're gonna fit in here though.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, those bikes, yeah.
So you can decide how you want these set up. Right now, this is the tighter setup, or you can go with the looser setup, which is the hole right here. We're gonna start with the tighter one. Only the ballers know.
That's insane.
It's crazy.
Look at the bearings. These guys always crush it. You guys need anything done to your BMW, Porsche, Audi, German, European, whatever, you know where to go. Alright man, how's it feel?
Feels good.
Good?
Really solid.
Alright, back in the whip. We got the approval. Car is good, no alignment needed. Just threw on that front lower sway bar. Actually, like, looked super easy. It's like 4 bolts. I probably could have done it all myself, but whatever, dude. We got it done. Excited to feel it. Brent went for a ride. Brent is the tech who was working on the car. Thank you, Brent. Brent went for a ride in the car and he said it felt really good. Super, super tight. So if you guys remember when we were installing it, there's 2 different, it's adjustable. There's 2 different fittings you can do. You can do the further away hole for a, I believe that's the tighter fitment. And then the closer one is the looser fitment. We went with the tightest adjustment possible. I figured if we're putting it on and we want tighter suspension, then go ahead and do that. However, he did say if you feel any understeer, it's probably too tight and we should go to the other one. So we'll find out. This is gonna be my first reaction to driving the car. I'll let you guys know what I think. Oh, dude. Immediately can tell a difference. That front is locked, bro. Holy crap. That front is locked. Oh, yeah. Dude, it feels good. Super locked in. That's the best way to describe it. The front just feels so locked in. There was always just a little bit of body roll up front in this car. Because I mean, just doing springs isn't gonna just delete all your body roll. It will help a lot, but that front lower sway bar with the suspension is like game changer. It's a whole different level. Bruh. Whoo! 0.65 on the G's. Dude, I don't know. I mean, obviously it's hard to convey it in a video, but the front end of this car is just smacked on the ground. Like, it does not move. You can feel the back has a little bit of movement to it, but the front is just clunk. It's on the ground, dude. And this car is not even that low. Like, this car really isn't even that low. A lot of people who run the KW coilover kits, their cars are even lower. I couldn't imagine this car on like a set of coils that low. Dude, it would be on rails. It's crazy how just that front lower sway bar makes such a big difference. the balance of it is just so much better, like tighter. This may not seem like one of the biggest modifications, but it's more about how collectively all of these suspension upgrades work together. So the KW Haas kit with the front lower sway bar upgrade from H&R, and then the fall line monoball conversion kit. Once all three are in, it's gonna be a package deal. It's gonna completely change this car. Street driving is one thing, but on the track, I think it's going to make a massive difference. Like, this car is just gonna be absolutely planted to the ground. And then you get a good set of tires on and it's game over. Dude, I'm so excited to track this car. I'm so stoked. Oh my God, I can't wait. Anyways, guys, we are pulling up to the house right now, but that is the H&R front lower sway bar. Highly recommended, especially if you were thinking about tracking your car, you just wanna get rid of some of that body roll, balance out the suspension a little bit and the steering. Highly recommended. I'm gonna have a link down below to where I bought mine. You guys can hit that link, go ahead and pick one up for you. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video is over and I will see you in the next one. Peace.